Israel, what a game tonight. What is Tindastóll do to win this game today?
Fight. This is what we have to do if we want to win games. Just fight, And I think we saw that we can fight. We saw that a lot of players can come from the bench and help in some way, defense and rebounds, in everything, And I am very happy because we play 11 players today, and also, Hooker also play very good. They have a very good team, but I think tonight we deserve it a little bit more.
In the fourth quarter, they always fight back and put it in like 5 points difference or something like that. Didn't you worry something on that point?
Of course, we cannot fall asleep against one team as Hooker. They are a very good team, and they are going to play 40 minutes. So, in these moments, I think our supporters help us a lot, and our experienced players from the bench also to calm down. And from timeout, we organize our defense again, and we show up again from timeouts. Focus. This is very important.
Comments from you about the performance of Sigtryggur Arnar?
Well, no words about him, right? He has very good work ethic, and he has all our support. But I think also, he's the guy who never complains. Always working, morning, nights, always working, winning mentality, and just trying to help the team as much as possible. And like I said, what I like from him is that he never complains about nothing, just he tried to give his best.
The final on Saturday, what is the feeling to get this accomplished right now?
Honestly, I didn't think about that yet. For me, the more important thing tonight is to recover the players, to make them fresh from today until Saturday, and then just we are going to show up in the game in the same way. All pressure, full court, fight for every ball, and in offense, trying to share the ball a little bit more.
Of course, you have the whole Sauðárkrókur on your back on Saturday. Is that something that you think about?
Yeah, our supporters always, they are with us, no matter where we are going to play, and this is always I said that they are our player number 6.
KR is your opponent on Saturday. Do you see chances in that game?
We are going to play the final, right? So this means that the best team in this tournament, in this cup, are going to play the final. And of course, before the jump ball, the final is 50-50. That's what I can say.